What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out in London for a spot of panning photography. We're going to be shooting on the Fuji XS10 with a VILTROX 56mm f1.7. Sometimes when I go out I find it helpful or handy to have a bit of a theme in mind for the shoot. That way it kind of makes it a bit more intentional, some of the shots that I'm getting, so I'm not just spraying and spraying and I'm just intentionally looking for panning shots. This is going to be a pretty raw video. I'm going to include some hits, some misses, and a few that are in between, just to show you that not every shot that you're going to get on a photo walk is perfect. To kick things off, I'm trying to get a bit warmed up, dialing my settings, just trying to find that sweet spot. This one was one of my favourites from the day, just happened to time it right. Here I've misjudged the speed of the taxi, falling a little bit too far in front of it, kind of cutting the back end of the taxi off. So it would have been good if I just slowed down that a little bit more with that one. There's something about motorbikes and panning shots that go together so well. And this is another thing that I love street photography for. When you're out and about, the people that you come across that kind of interact with you because they're taking photos, whether they jump in your frame or whatnot. It's such a refreshing thing to see in the world today, and people kind of just bonding over a particular thing. And to be honest, that moment there, I know it wasn't a long interaction, but it kind of put me in a good mood for the rest of the day. If you want help with dialing in settings for panning shots to improve your reliability, you can check out the video that I posted last week. I break down 5 tips on getting better panning photos. You've probably seen this one in the intro of the video already, but this is hands down my favourite image from the day. It's just got the clarity to the subject and that really long motion blur in the background. And I think it just makes for a real dynamic image. So there we have it. That was a bit of a realistic POV of a panning photography session. Like I say, there's some hits in there, some misses in there, but that's just street photography at the end of the day. You don't win them all, and what we see on Instagram is often the best of the best. So bear that in mind on your next photo walk, and with all that being said, I'll catch you in the next one.